Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the Nike application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nike app on your device and then tap on the sign in button to get into the login portal. Now within this page, just type in your email address of your account and then click on the continue button. You will now be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and tap on forgotten your password and you will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find a verification code sent to you by the Nike app. After typing in this code within the box, you can simply type in your desired new password within the new password box. After typing this in, you can simply click on the save button and now your password will successfully be changed within your Nike account. After this point, you can simply use your newly set password in order to log in to your account and start using the application once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Nike application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.